Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka SOS Children's Village Shillong mentakasni da kajing sarong bat kajing phu samrkhe mentakasni kalayo ban Rakhe ya Mawmer ba arpusan Snem kenti kabalaktip ru kum kajing Rakhe Jubilee rupa halor kajing ya lenti ka jongka ban ai kajing shakri ka bapaka shaki khun suat khun rangli ki balakut lat kot lenti ban ai biang pat haki ya kajing em ka bathamai bat ya kalawai ka bapharnai ha kani kajing Rakhe ka balapallong ha phallau jongka SOS CVS ka badan ha Umiam lawan ban ya don ringkat lang da uba Lingdo Umintri ka Sarkar Jilla Badekmi Yakatanat Social Welfare, Tourism, Arts and Culture, but Textile, Kumukong San. Layadon ringkat lang ru hakanikasni da u Sumanta Kar, u CEO ka SOS India, ka Anuradha Aproy, ka CPO ka Family Light Care ka SOS India, u Amar Joyti Sarma, u Village Director ka SOS CVS, nalor kinong ri nong sumar ki khun swet kinong yalam shnong bat kiwe de hashwa ka jing sedang jong ka jing Rakhe la pelong ru ya ka jing thung ding balam khmat da uba pol ling do kum ukong san ha ka jing sakhi ringkat ki he officer ka SOS bat ka jing thang ya ka sharak kum ka dak jong ka jing play pad ba ya ka ni ka jing Rakhe Jubilee rupa kumban chukdo ya ka SOS CVS ha ka ni ka jilla lasdang ningkong haus nam shia jar khandai spa khandai pupra da ka bapendan kam ya ki katu kat ni ki yeng wai ki badan ha MEPDCL colony hanong sder Umiam banri bat ban sumar ya kumba sau pongut ki khun swet bat sangut ki nong ri nong sumar ki balakhot ru kum ki kme de haus nam shia jar khandai spa khandai baya ka ni ka jaka ri khun swet lapin kan ria no sha SOS CV ka bapura ka bayang hado menta mene
Shillong in particular, I'd like to take a few moments to properly introduce Shillong to you. Shillong is the birthplace of John Sheffield Barron, the founder of the ATM. He was born here at the Robert Hospital, Shillong in 1925, and this is his centenary year. The celebrated writer Arundhati Roy was also Shillong born. For you, some of you who have come from West Bengal, Tagore wrote 3 of his best-known works, including Shishir Kavita, when he was in Shillong. Virat Chaudhary wrote his autobiography of an unknown Indian, where he dedicated one whole chapter on his childhood at Upper Shillong. And to those of you who are not familiar with Meghalaya, the geological age that we live in today is called the Meghalayan age. And this is because of the findings at one of our caves in the Cherrapunji region, the Mawmer cave, which determines the geological age of the earth that started 4,200 years ago. So this is Shillong, this is Meghalaya, and I'm proud to say that hearing these youngsters and the mother narrate their experiences here takes me back to my days as a student leader when I had visited SOS even before I was elected to the State Assembly back in the early 1999-2000. And since then, I have always taken time out to share some moments with you, knowing that you all are persevering, you all are leaving no stones unturned to change the destiny and the lives of so many around us. It is a strange world where somebody not linked by the accident of birth can actually care, can be a pillar of strength and support to totally unknown children. And this is the basis on which you have built SOS. I'm proud that your activities, as have been highlighted here, the basket of care solutions. And I look forward to seeing, as we discussed when we had tea earlier, I'd like to see a formal proposal being put forward by SOS so that we upscale the activities and continue to support you in your various endeavors. Silver Jubilee this year. As the earlier speaker had mentioned, everything began as an idea. And how do we transform ideas into realities is something that requires dedication, a sense of purpose, and a sense of attachment. Anything that we look around us, whether it's the sofa that we sit on, whether this lectern or the table, everything that we see around us began as an idea. And a lot of people have brilliant ideas. And I recall the words of a famous writer who said the greatest wealth in this world is not to be found in the Amazon Valley, is not to be found in the gold mines of Africa, but the greatest wealth in this earth can be found in cemeteries. A lot of people with brilliant ideas never wrote their books, never composed their songs, never lived their dreams. They died with those ideas. But you, as SOS, as a family, are a difference maker. The difference being that you did more than just ideating. You did more than build dreams in the air, but you put foundations on those dreams, which is why today we have been able to travel this journey. As we lit the lamp, that one has lived his dreams and made a difference. I'm particularly thankful to the mothers who are here. One of them has just narrated a soul-stirring story of how she took care of 25 children. There is a saying, who is a mother? A mother is someone who carries you for 7 to 9 months in her womb, carries you in her arms till you are 15, till you are 16, and carries you in her heart for the rest of your life. That's a mother. Just another strange locale on the map, but you've identified, you've seen this place grow, and I'm proud as Meghala's Minister in charge of Tourism, Arts and Culture and Textiles and Social Welfare. I'm proud to say this, that in the last 25 years, many years, 50 plus years of our existence as a state, we have made spectacular achievements in diverse fields. As we spoke, I just narrated to Mrs. Sudha that our locally weaved shawl, Rindia, has just got the GI tag.
There are moments in life where everything seems lost, when the world feels too heavy and the future seems like a distant dream. I've lived those moments. I've faced the darkness of abandon, the pain of loss and the silence of loneliness. But then something remarkable happened. In the last months of the year 1999, I was brought to SS family. For me, it was more than a shelter. It is my home, a place where I was seen, heard, and most importantly, loved. My mother, which I lovingly call me, did not just feed or clothe me. She believed in me. She gave me a second chance at life. And that is something I will never truly repay. And sponsors, donors, village directors, uncle, aunties, Didi, Mama, and every person who gave their hearts to this place. Thank you. Your kindness has changed my life. You gave me the foundations to stand on my own and the courage to walk forward with pride. I am standing here strong, wise, and filled with a purpose. To all my brothers and sisters, know that you are not alone. You are valuable, worthy, and loved. Your story is still being written. And with the support of this amazing place, I promise there is a hope and there is a beautiful future waiting for you.